seconds while you dream. A life never lives in peace. As you stand upon the edge, woven by a single thread, and fate may fall down upon you, while the devil is knocking right at your door.
Just welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is ALGO, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew. Are you ready? Let's get it. Don't forget, trading is risky, but if trading is for you, this might be the place for you. My name is Vinny E. Mini. I will be your host here this afternoon. This is the afternoon session. If you missed the morning session, you missed out on some awesome fun. And this afternoon, let's see what we can do. Don't forget, do that thing. If we get to 50 likes, I'll stay beyond the 15-minute point. And let me get you guys down to the main screen, and let's get to it. So I am in the middle of the $400 superstition. You guys have been following along in the Discord trade room there. You guys know my $400 superstition. That thing is a beast, and I'm telling you, it's real. Okay, it's real to me. I'm telling you, something happens when I am $400 away from any major target. My 4K day target, 3,600 is like this thing with me. But we have been finding solutions because we're problem solvers around here. That's what we do. And you guys gave me some good advice. I mean, y'all fed me back my own advice yesterday and said, you cannot erase, you must replace. And somebody said, why not switch from small to tiny when you hit that 3,600, that little wall, and go, let's just see if we can inch past that $400 superstition, continue to put some dollars on the board. And that worked not only yesterday, but also worked today. I posted those screenshots in the room. Go check those out there. Had I not done that exact thing, literally would have taken two, I don't know, say with full losses, but I would have taken 2 losses in a row had I not gone tiny. Because yes, they went to target 1, target 2 on tiny, but if I had held out for target 2 on a small, they would not have gone. Amazing stuff here. So I am still sitting here at a tiny. Let's look at my P&L as we have marched up this afternoon. We had the drawdown from this morning. Actually, that was full auto bots in there in the first 5 minutes. That actually kind of got us into the hole. We have been continuously moving our way up through the rest of the day. That's been awesome. And that was all live streamed. Let's see if you guys want to see the entire live stream here this afternoon. We just got to get to 50 likes. We're at 29. So let's get that music going and see if we got the whole session. We're a few minutes early this time instead of me being late. I'm about 4 minutes early to the final 90 minutes of the day. Don't forget, we trade 60 to 90 minutes. A lot of that is written down there at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. You can see my rules and goals that I do per session, how we define those. I also like to approach the markets like a video game. We're here to change the game for traders. Let's go. Are you ready for the game? Are you ready for the algo box that helps us with the game to quantify our decisions? That's what we have algo box do. Allows it to help us to quantify our decisions. Now, speaking of decisions, This is an 89 bar march straight up. Look at these 89 bars. Top right hand corner of the screen up there to 8.3. I'm going to grab my fib tool here and I'm going to stick it right here on this 8.3 to go. Here's what I think. If I had to guess when the end of this march would be, it's 18,750. Write it down. 18,750. 18750 for the measured move ender, as they had to grab their positions right here and push it one more time. And once we punch that gold line up there, that could be the end of day sell-off if it happens the same way it did yesterday. Oftentimes you have those type of characteristics going back to back when the market shifts into a character. That character lasts for a few days. That would be my personal expectation. Then again, do we care? Not really. Not really. Although sometimes mentally preparing for something big, when you're right, you can capitalize on it and get even bigger. Speaking of bigger, I see a very flat cave right here. Almost just completely vapid set of space right here that might be a cave point target if we start to get a run into it. Let's see how we react to this shark. Currently, don't forget our MacVU filter is active in our room. The one here on the live stream, you cannot rely on this because it is a still image example. If you want the directional filter there across 4 correlated instruments, you'll need to get that inside of our Discord channel chat. And currently, it's sitting at neutral, which means I can play both directions with runners. But I am within that $400 window, so until I get to my 4K, I'm going to ride tiny here on the small time frame until I touch my 4K. Then at 4K, I'll start to get bigger again, and we'll go again. Everybody get the rules? If you do, smash that like button. We got to get to 50 likes, or I'll be here for only 15 minutes. Don't forget, we are at 40. We need 10 more likes. I bet we can do it. But if not, it's all right. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's see. New 89 bar just printed. So, the start of something new? Or some continuation on through? That is the question. These are widening out here. I'm going to enable my full auto Enigma for the next signal. That last one was juicy. To the tick, potentially stopped out, maybe there, and then the full drop on. So 2 try rule scenario there on that Enigma called the high of day. And if we call it where it began to where we currently are, that drop is a 78 tick drop call off of that Enigma so far. Add to position there on the buy supply coming in and shoving it back down even farther. So from what I can tell right now, it looks as though the structures to the short side are currently in play. At the same time, we just got to bounce off a shark, which means that those are also in play. No surprise, we are in neutral territory if you don't know what that means. Again, very simple tool set. Just turn it on. Go in our Discord channel chat. This whole thing is available to you for free. You do not have to be a a ALGO Box premium paid member. That is available to the public for free. On me. Let's go. All right, let's see how we react to this cipher here. I got my finger over the cell. If we crack it, I will take a shot down below if we get what? Audio box plus a break of structure. You guys know the drill. Speaking of drill, hopefully we hear a drill as we pop through that. Nope, pushed up halfway, so that one's still in as well. So I'm canceling an opportunity to catch a short on that. We're still in the neutral zone here. We are right in the middle of the diddle, so we want to wait until we're outside of that as well. If you have been following along with us, best trades are going to be outside of this yellow zone there in the middle. The warning zone we call the diddle because we like to say, do not fiddle in the middle. That zone is called the diddle. We don't want to be in the diddle. We want to get out of the middle. That has expanded through the afternoon, so I'm going to remove and redraw it real quick. It needs to be properly drawn from top to bottom. That adjusts to market conditions as we go, so it has widened from this morning. There we go. All right, we're set and ready. Listening for the crack. All right, I'm hearing cracks as we break the shark. Gonna give it a shot here. Looks like it's going to give me some time, so I'm going to go ahead and put the stop above the... Actually, I'm going to go above the cipher here.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Target 1, target 2 filled, and we have reached the 4K. We have destroyed the $400 superstition. Oh, let's get hype in the chat. We just broke the $400 superstition. I'm at 4K, 4,100. We're moving up to small. Let's go. Let's hear it in the chat. Type 4K in the chat. 4K. Spam that 4K in the chat. Let's go. Are you ready? Oh, yeah.
That was easy. That was easy.
You can't touch this. We love you. You're very special. So shiny. Look at this guy. I love it.
Thanks, Trump. Appreciate it, brother. We're here to drain the swamp in the trading industry. Now get in there and clean up Washington, please. All right, so I am going to switch to for small, reaching our 4K target, busting the $400 superstition, and that is trade number 1. Of 5. Don't forget our 5 lives. I approach the markets like a video game here, and that's just how we do things. If you want to do it too, cool. I think gamifying life, there's a lot of TED Talks on that, and validating the way that we approach the game here as well to minimize your risk based on not overtrading, looking at 5, setting it before your eyes with a bonus trade opportunity. We just came down and touched into that cave like we thought could have happened, and we did bounce almost immediately off of it, but they didn't fill the whole thing yet, and not a lot of orders came in. So let's see if they come back to it again or not. The meat, though, is still here, so we have to treat that with some respect. But if we do is drop down in there, the cave, and then look down on the other side, the drop point to that would be this red line down below. If we start to break through it, red line already there for a runner target if we want to get spicy. Can someone from our team help Kevin use his YouTube? Still neutral on the MACVU, so both directions are in play. Right hand sell, left hand buy.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
Crack of the cipher and the butterfly. Hearing buyers get in there like crazy. I wanted to hit it a little bit earlier than that. Should have hit right there about at the back of the cipher to get target 1 and 2, but it looks like target 1 might be in the bag. If we don't hit directly the target 1, we'll be squeezing that up pretty quick. Pop it in there. Remember, at the front of the PRZ or a break of structure. Crab still holding. Okay, closing her out. Okay, so we got a target 1, not a target 2. That was a quick one, right? So could have gotten 2 had I gotten in on that first set of sharks. There was plenty of sound coming through that could have given me the opportunity to do it. You see the delta come in as well. 1,000 orders there. I've got a finger over a retry. Listening for audio box. Nope, she didn't come through. Okay, so we hold. So structures, harmonic structures still holding. Shark up, crabs down, PRZs to the top, PRZs at the bottom. Got a nice juicy bat down here for a target. Hopefully we get, it would be awesome to see an Enigma somewhere right here to push us down in there. It would be awesome. If you're going to call Enigma on the 3s, you need to say direction, please. Okay, let me put my X reminder on the screen here because this is slow. Might have to go to the 1s. One speed at 83. Okay, we're at 30. I mean, it's basically the lowest you can go on the 2s here right now. Okay, double cross. Do we have a zone here? Oof, no, it's kind of in the middle. I'm going to hold off here. Shark back play up top. If we do, if that does turn out to be DCDM, I like to measure them anyways. So I got 2 opportunities to put that in there. There's 1. And then here is the shorter pivot there. So 2 spots here and here for a GLR gold line reversal. 2 spots there and there. Yeah, 1's at 83. Yeah, I might be shifting here. Super slow. As I say, it starts to speed up. You want some popsicles? Yes. After we're done with our stream, we'll go grab some popsicles. If you're gonna say like what we were talking about before, then you'll go into understanding as I posted into our room. Since you're gonna come over here and pocket watch me, well, pocket watch this. Do you see that speed? That says 0, and that's on ALGO bar 1s. Alright, so you have to be adaptable as a trader. I'm not a social media muppet, and you shouldn't be either. If you're gonna pocket watch me, then keep up with what I've been saying in the room. The reason we're not doing crude oil, literally you cannot get any slower and more ridiculous than that speed on crude oil, so no. Wacky Wednesday turned out to be a big fat nothing burger. I mean, if you want to wade through that, sure, there's a nice enigma to the long side, you know, it's there, but I said basically it's a no. I went to trade today and I told you what I would do. I would not trade it. So there we go. Yeah, no worries, no worries. I'm just busting you a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know me. I'm a little gruff around the edges, you know what I'm saying? We just tell it like it is. Nah, you're cool. Butamus, it's Butamus. Take no offense at my scruffy beard. Abby said in my second 40 days, and I have been learning so much from these live streams. Thanks for that, Abby. Appreciate that. Happy to hear it, my friend. Okay, speed feels like it's picking up. Get this X off my screen here. Nobody likes their X's. Come on. Let's go. Yeah, sometimes you got to see it done. You know, like I've had somebody explain to me how to do some plumbing work. It's like, oh, you know, just connect the left pipe to the right pipe and use some pipe glue, and you use this little bally thing and swirl it around. You're like, bro, what are you talking about? And then somebody shows me a video. I'm like, ah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I got you. I see what you're saying. Sometimes you just got to see it done. It's way more valuable in my opinion.
On the 9.
Okay, all these lines little bit distracting for me here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go F6, so I have my gold line there, and I have my gold line there, and then I'm going to remove my fib tool drawings, click, and just press delete. There we go. So now I can re-enter on this double white line. Everybody knows that, right? So a 2-try rule would be right there. How do we know that? Because this and this, I have enabled the feature that auto draws those lines, so I know where it's at. So as we break through that location there, I'm thinking, okay, if I'm going to go long and I'm going to hit that for a DC double cross double move scenario, those happen and work really well sometimes. And we have not, again, we literally came down, never even went through it, and then boom, if we go through, we got target 1, target 2, and then awesome little scalp reversals opportunities here as well. So that's what I'm currently thinking, also drawing through why those white lines are helpful to you. We used to draw those by hand, and now I've automated it for you if you have those turned on. And I do recommend go into the features there and the parameters of the Flow Master crosses and enable those auto horizontals. You can also have those drawn globally if you have them on a higher time frame and you want them to project down to lowers. Just click on the draw global auto horizontals and you can change them to whatever you want. I have them set to white and real thin. You can take them to your pleasing. This feels like I should be drawing in a region here. There is regional stuff, but it's like it's angular. The really good and easy ones are the ones that are flat across. This is some angular action down. I'm just hearing sellers on the tape here as they come into the cave. I'm going to give it a shot here. Could be a trap.
Target filled.
Fingers over the close. If we don't snap straight through that.
Target
There we
filled.
go.
Target
If we
filled.
get down to that diamond, get to the other side, and
Target
the
filled.
push runner out to the red line that we talked about before. If we're going to go, I'm going to bring my stops in nice and close in case she doesn't go. Love to see a break of that diamond, and then we got a diamond target there, and then all the way to the meat of that next spot here because we have this big gap that kind of needs to get filled in here. That is the theory. Bulls on the execution. All right, back to my own. Whatever. Okay, $400 superstition back in play. I am almost at 5K. So there it is. What shall we do, crew? What should I do? Teach me. Show me I've taught you well. What should we do? The $400 superstition. What should I do to overcome the mental barrier of the $400 superstition that rides my ass every single time? Well, walk away is an option. Okay, now I've got 100 people sitting here watching me, wanting me to keep going. So what are my other options besides walk away and go jump in my pool? So alternative options to walk away, go jump in my pool, and get a popsicle. If that's off the table, what else? What are the options we got? Go tiny or go home. I like that. Yes, go tiny. I'm going to grab my tiny ATM with my auto trail lock in. And we're going to scrape our way to 5K. And of course, you know, if it starts to go, I can always push out a runner, right? Let's be honest. And we have our cool little buttons. I can press every other tick far. I can stack spread. That's what these are for, to do quick trade management. You know the drill. Or maybe you don't. Oh, I forgot. I've got my special one. I almost forgot. We got the special we got yesterday. 6 jumping jacks, spin around 3 times, and a backflip. Ooh! Makes my back hurt thinking about it. Grab a coffee and switch to tiny. You know, I probably should increase that caffeination level. I think that is another good idea. I should increase the caffeination level so I'm kind of fully awake, especially because we have been here for 29 minutes as of right now. In 10 seconds, we will have been here for the half hour. Thanks for getting that 50 likes, by the way. You guys rock! And so we'll be here for the full session. We get to 100 likes, you know we always do something special. So if you guys want to go for the full gold, you want to see something real cool, 100 likes, I think you'll likes. You know what I'm saying? Let Mikey trade while I'm getting a popsicle. Oh, I mean, it's just as good. I just tell him green means up, red means down, press the button. You see red, press the red. If you see green, press the green. Still could be better than my personal superstition. It could. Thanks, Skinny Kid Ryan. Appreciate that. Speaking of skinny, I cannot tell you the number of times on Twitter. So like these ICT trolltards that deliver my burgers for a living, but pretend to trade ICT successfully.
Just trust me. Just trust me, bro. Just trust me. I'm a successful ICT student. Just trust me. Trust me, bro. Just trust me, okay? Listen, ICT says, that I just work, you know, using box cutters all day and delivering burgers on my scooter. You know, my rocket scooter. Sorry, I broke character.
Picturing someone delivering me a burger on a rocket scooter. Okay, hold on. Compose yourself, Vinny. Compose yourself. Hold yourself back. They keep telling me that I'm fat. Like, that's their comeback. They're like, oh, you're fat. What?
ICT says you got man tits.
Really? ICT, that's your standard. ICT, same guy says he's going to get 11,000% in the Robins this year and is trading micros and blew his account. Same Mikey? Same guy who said that he was going to teach his adult children how to trade, and private investigators come to find out that they're living in trailer parks. No joke. This is not a lie. This is not a fake. This is not even an exaggeration. It's adult children living in trailer parks, collecting disability checks. I'm fairly certain it's for mental disorder, but don't hold me to that. I'm not sure what the disorder is, because he can ride a scooter. We got video of that too. Saving money on gas.
Take that, inflation. I'm only gonna get 1.5 litros of petrol. I'm gonna drive to my brother's Starbucks and get a freebie. He's gonna write my name on my cup. Super valuable. I'm rich. Just trust me, bro.
Isn't fat a good thing with a PH? Yeah, they don't know how to spell it though. You know, they're like, all right, you're fat. So anyway, so I post a picture of myself in Flex, and then they're like, you're gay. Okay, so I'm either fat or gay. I got 4 kids, beautiful wife. I mean, church going dude, you know. Imagine having a moral compass in this industry. It's tough. It's tough. But yeah, they're still like, oh yeah, well, you're lucky I told you were fat and you lost some weight, because if I didn't tell you, you got skinny because of me. Oh no, the thing when you're talking about I was bulking. I know you don't know what that is because you don't work out. You've never seen the inside of a gym, but it's all good, bro. It's all good. Yeah, I've got man boobs from thousands of push-ups. Exactly. Oh, I can make them bounce. You know what I'm saying? I pride myself in being able to make them bounce without touching them. You know what I'm saying? Spin layer, you like the voice impression. I mean, you know that was spot on. But let me tell you guys the secret. All you gotta do, everybody just take your left hand and put it on the bridge of your nose and squeeze
And hold, and then pretend like a bee stung your tongue. Okay, like a bee just stung your tongue a minute ago, and like your tongue feels swollen. Okay, then you can talk just like ICT anytime. Listen, just trust me, bro. Just trust me. You ever seen anybody trade better than me? You ever seen anybody? Anybody. Nobody can trade better than me. Watch me on my live stream blow that shit. Oh, it's because you guys are following. You guys are trade copying me. That's why. That's why. See, they know when I'm out here trading, because Tobias and Parson told them they're going to throw me in the back of the van again tonight.
I can't do it. I can't do it for very long. Too many thoughts come to mind. I can't stay in, somebody's gonna have to practice and do it better than me. I can't stay in character long enough to really do it justice, honestly. Yes, it's the huddle stink technique. Yes. Remember, the bee sting on your tongue, pinching the nasal cavity, restrict it ever so slightly with just a hair amount of air allowing to pass through. You can't completely close it. If you completely close it, you end up sounding like, I don't know, some weird version of Pee Wee Herman. But if you do it just right, sound just like Micro Mikey, trading his micros, crying every day, but then coming out there with speaking with confidence.
Just trust me, bro. Y'all don't even know how good I really am. I don't even show you guys.
Unless you get my private mentorship. If you get my private mentorship, then I show you my private stuff. You know, the good stuff that only Mrs. Huddlestink gets to see, you know what I'm saying? Mrs. Huddlestink, because my thingy shrank, but you know.
Like my micros that I gotta trade in my Robbins account. Because I blew it. Don't tell anybody. Don't worry. Joe Robbins is gonna give me a couple more accounts, a couple more tries, okay? He's gonna give me another try at the end of the year. He said he'll give me another one in 6 months, okay? June, he'll give me another account. Just trust me, bro. One of these accounts I'm gonna get, okay? Just one of them. One of them I'm gonna smack it, okay? One of them is gonna YOLO trade it short or YOLO trade it style, you know, long short. And then I'm gonna tell Trades by Matt that, hey man, you know, let me just trust me, bro. This is my real account. Trust me. Trust me, it's the same one from January. Trust me. Just trust me, bro. I'm very trustworthy. I mean, just watch Vinny's ICT documentary. It'll tell you everything. Super trustworthy. You can believe everything I've ever said.
Yeah, man, Foster, you need to do another Mikey video, bro. Foster can pull off an accent way too long. Yeah, Foster is scary. He reminds me of Beavis and Butthead reading charts. That's a good one. Right? Thank you. Shouldn't micros be off limits in a professional trading competition? Yeah, and then when he has to do it, he's like, oh, yeah, it's, you know, he's got to give a reason, right? It's got to be something, so you don't over leverage. Dude, you can't over leverage a single contract. And micros didn't used to exist, Mikey, so back when you said that you were making millions in the markets, which has never happened, ever, in the history of fucking time, he's never made a dime. He's not in black, even this today, even, you know, well, maybe on his mentorships, but dude, give me a break. Trade support and resistance, bro. Get out of here. Supply demand, okay, sure. Stop telling everybody it's the best. I mean, it's a trading strategy. Oh. Don't come over here telling me you can beat me, bro. I can walk you like a dog up and down the charts. Any time frame, any day, any market environment. I think I did. Yes, I did. In fact, I think he wants to do a collab with me. Yeah, there's a small YouTuber out there that did a great expose of ICT. You know, the curve is, the tide is shifting on the ICT Muppets. Like, they're kind of tired of, some of these kids are getting tired of losing. And they're a little upset with daddy. And believe it or not all of them want to lie all the time. Imagine that. But ICT's like, no, just trust me, guys. Listen, just trade a paper account and trust me, people will pay you. Okay, so are you here to teach us how to trade or teach us how to sell signals?
Well, I teach you how to do both.
Listen,
what you gotta do is you gotta record 2 screens, okay? Just turn on Camtasia, record 2 screens. Don't audio over any of it, but audio over the good one afterwards, okay? And then call them live executions, saying that you took them in real time, okay? And don't tell them about the other one. Just definitely don't tell them about the other screen. Just don't tell them about the other screen. Don't. Okay, don't tell them about the other. Oh, and if your play doesn't look good on one time frame, zoom into the other time frame while you record it. It'll look really good. Okay, trust me. Just trust me, bro.
Yeah, Iman, I think, has done the best with the ICT exposure videos. Yeah, I wish I could do as good a job as he does. He's a natural for it. He has a naturally sarcastic voice, which makes it even funnier. I mean, I love listening to anything. I just like to listen to the guy talk. He has that naturally hilarious sarcasm in his tone. So when he's busting ICT's balls, man, it just cracks me up. Oh, so entertaining and so true. Oh, you posted a really long one in pub chat? Oh, you know, I don't know if I got to see the really long one. Let me see. When was it? Oh, yeah, Iman. Yeah, the Iman one. Yeah. If y'all haven't seen this one, go check that video out. Even before you watch my documentary, I mean, just go there. Give Iman the views, man. It was good. Totally awesome. I hope he makes more. I'm hoping he comes in and helps me out and does a Larry Williams expose video. We're gonna do a Larry Williams one, but I don't know. His sarcastic voice would be so much better than mine, dude. It would be amazing. Yeah, the way he makes little pauses while he waits for the viewers to get the joke. I know. He's got that comedic timing nailed down. Oh, this snooze fest, bro. So, I mean, look at this diddle right now. It's like... Nada. Final hour. And interesting, even the 3 o'clock top of hour didn't do anything. Didn't move it yet. So... But it's getting very, very tight and wound up, so we're about to expand any moment. There's the sell supply. I'm sorry, buy supply. So let's see if we get a go. What's the MAC VU? Again, I'm going to be trying to stay on the side of the MAC VU. Where has it been? So all instruments creeped their way up and continued up into the long side overall. So if you're going to go with all the tides, we want to be to the long side for now. Could be an end-of-day sell-off. Remember, if we do pop up and we hit that gold line, that's really where I want to start to try to load. R3, pretty far up there. We did approach R3 all the way yesterday. So, you know, don't put anything past the markets. That sucker could curve straight up, and while everybody's trying to get that sucker short, could just rip everybody's face off all the way up to R3. And we're just going to play what we see. Stops behind crosses, we have 4 stop types: dot, box, or cross, and an additional triangle now if you're trading on a larger time frame. Otherwise, dot, box, cross.
Enigma short on the NQ4.
Enigma short on the 4s. Bro, I'm gonna swipe at it.
Target filled.
Finger of the close. This is a I'm bored trade. And it's an Enigma on the 4s. Alright, I'm closing it. It didn't go to target 2 immediately. Whatever, dude! Whatever. I'm in the $400 superstition. Don't care. Don't care. Alright, so got grabbed a little dime bag off of that one. Alright, there we go. Ding! Enough to at least make her think about it. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Let's see. $400 superstition. See if we get something on the lower time frame here to enhance. I'm keeping that one in the corner of my eye though. Right hand sell, left hand buy.
Target filled. Target filled.
Get you some. Let's see if I get some more. Wanted to enter in on that actual cipher there. No bueno. Somebody tell that $400 superstition to cut it out. That looked like a cipher break to me. Not fair. Not fair. Boo. Get back down there, you little minion. Moonshot. Oh, baloney. Got greedy, moved my targets. That's what I get. See, I went from tiny to big, and look, see, that's that $400 superstition's just laughing at me. He's like, ho, ho, ho. Oh, this movement is so slow. Does that say 1? It says 1. Boo. Whatever, dude. $400 superstition strikes again. Just take note. It's legit. Whatever, bro. King timing. Give me that moonshot drop down to that cipher. Just do it. You know you want to. Do it. Come on, you crazy Cheech monkey. Who turned this map on this game? Who wanted to play this map? This map sucks. You know, there's always that weird guy who wants to play the crappy map on Battlefield 3, you know what I'm saying?
Target filled.
Like, dude, nobody wants to play that map, bro.
Target filled.
Come
Target
on, guys, let's play Karkand! Bro, there's no flying vehicles in Karkand.
filled.
Yeah, it's cool, man. No, it's cool, trust me, guys. It's totally cool. This map's rocking. No, it's not, bro. Oh, no, trust me, man. You guys just don't understand. It's a great map. No, bro, this map sucks.
Target filled.
This map sucks. Somebody change the map, please. Can we play Caspian Border, please? Oh my star, bro. Really, bro? Just close it. Oh my stars. Alright, so cracking a shark there. Getting some juice up. Like before. Could crawl up. What's our time? 3:16. I know, right? Thank you. I know, Nikita. Like, you can't trade this. This is, this map sucks. Oh, it's not even fun.
New bar on the wave. New bar on the wave.
Okay, new bar on the wave. Red dot coming in up top. Haven't quite hit that gold line up top. Like to see them start to exit. All right, I'm going to take that as a PRZ cross. Again, don't really care. It stops going above the cross. That's how we do. You know the drill. All right, hearing him kick. So, side stop. See if we're going to get any kind of drop on that. If we're going to stay in this little zone, or they're going to be like, oh no, look, everybody's running to the highs. Bell supplies come in, so it's about to run. Which way it's going to go, we don't know. I think we're going to drop, and I think we're going to go below that cross, and whatever. Stops at the top of the cross, targets down below, whatever. Superstition coming in with a grin. To my chagrin, speaking of. Creeper. Creeper on up. Alright. What's my looking like now? Boring. Ugh. So boring. Alright, so my $400 superstition's over, so let's get to this, the good stuff. And we're gonna go 5 small, bro. 5 small, let's go. Alright, what we should do, don't let it lull us to sleep here. What we've got is, we got a zone we need to identify. And remember before we talked about if we did cross through that white line, there we go. So the pump up is to that white line there. So there's my GCR1, I'm sorry, GLR1, GLR2 up there. Let's not forget about those. It's put us to sleep. Almost forgotten that they exist, that we put them there to begin with. Okay, PRZ cross on the 4s, stop above the cross. Let's see if they fake to the highs first. Oftentimes there's a pump head fake there. It's on the 4s if you're wondering what this is on. It's on the 4s, so bigger stop there on it. Playing our least favorite map. Playing all-time highs, 89s runs, and almost at the edge of that white cross. And like, yeah, we're gonna just crawl this way. We're gonna crawl it on up here to the highs. We're gonna crawl it on up here to the highs, guys. But Vinny's gonna get his vengeance, and it's gonna be a monster. Yawn. Yawn. Triple yawn. Yawn, yawn. Yawn, yawn, yawn. Nobody cares. Yawn. Triple yawn. Yawn, yawn, yawn. Yawn, yawner. Yawner, yawner, triple yawner, whatever. Yawns. Yawns, pawns. Yeah, maybe the crab holds. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, if they're just slow crawling, it's try to hold it up here and bust out to R3. You always have to be concerned with that if you are going to be trying any kind of short scenario here. But oh my goodness, the crawl. Oh, the crawl. Ode de crawl. Okay. We're starting to step. All right, let's go. Give me the cipher target 1. Oh, why is it not moving my targets?
Target
Thank you.
filled. Target
Crack
filled.
through, that would be
Target
great.
filled.
Go ahead, crack
Target
it on
filled.
through. Thank you very
Target filled.
much. That's
Target
nice.
filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Oh. Bored. Oh, bored.
Bit.NQ on the 9.
Oof, is that a green that just showed up on the 9s? Supply. About to go. What's the time? 3:28. Really bad time. This could be the BTFD for the final hour. Here we go. Take far. Stack them. Rack them. See if they push it a little bit farther. If they're going to run it to the highs, hopefully they're going to make one more push down in the next 30 seconds before we make the run up at that 35, where they tend to make that run. Oh, come on. Give me a little fun. Go give me my big target before you make that run up. Do it. And then let me run it up too, bro. Let me run it up too. Drop it down there. Grab me across and let me get long with you. Do it. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Go.
Target filled.
Get there. Get the rest.
Target
Thank
filled.
you. Give me the rest. Give me the rest. Drop it for 5 minutes.
filled.
Drop it for 5 before you make that run. Drop me until you get that cross. Come on. Drop me till we see it cross. Hold to the opposing signal. Let's go. Come on. Hold it. Find the cipher crack. If we pop that sucker right there with buyers, I will step long into it as we break that cipher. There's the bottom of the hour, 3:30. Are they going to BTFD it all the way up to R3? Once again. Do. Wasn't strong. Did not hear the strong song. I'm going to try it again. Stop up above. Buyers did not step in after that cipher, so we're going to see if we get a replay.
Target filled. Target filled.
$400 superstition. Stare me in the face. I am locking this in. Not doing it again. And you can suck it. There we go. Whatevs, bro. Break me. Let's see. I'm seeing 3,600 in my unrealized P&L right now, so I am at the $400 superstition right now. Switching to Tiny mentally to just override the beast that is Vinny's $400 superstition. I'm just going to keep talking through it and letting it do its thing. Not paying attention. I added to position on the cross, sell supply, drop it out, get me to my king timing, go ahead and go touch my target, and then see me a runner until the opposing signal. I need to see an alpha omega or I'm going to hold.
Target filled.
All right, everybody start typing in the chat. If you're not in a trade, hold to the opposing signal. Hold to the opposing signal. Just keep saying it. Hold to the opposing signal. 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 New bar. What's it looking like on the 89? Okay, that's a new bar. We could pop up here. Shut up. Shut up. See? $400 superstition. And she's like, I'm yanking up there quick. Whatever, dude. Oh, this map sucks. I mean, I just tell it all the time. There's some games you like to play. This map on this game sucks. You know what I'm saying? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 4-legged dog trap. Got my finger over the buy. What is MacVU is saying to the buy side? I would love to see a structure break here. I don't have any structures to break. There is a supply. So first one should be a drop. And I need to hear sellers. Hey, Mr. Roman. Roman, you hear this market snoring? Crazy. When was the last Enigma we had? Dude, there's like... This map. Who turned on this map? Who wanted to play this map? This map sucks.